Guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to do a short drawing activity with you called Yes You Can Draw a Turkey, because yes, you can draw a turkey, and today I'm going to show you how in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase marker. If you're ready to get started, I'm ready to show you how to make a turkey. Now, you can turn your paper either way you want. I'm going to use my paper in a horizontal way this time because I really want to be able to spread out my turkey as much as possible. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a circle in the middle of your paper. This is going to be your turkey's body, so you can make it as big or as small as you want. As you can see, I like mine to be kind of big. Now at the top of my circle, I'm going to draw another almost circle, just like this. And then I'm going to make some kind of curved lines that come down. This is our turkey's neck. And just so I have a nice big space to draw my face, I'm going to draw the line that was the top of my circle, erase the top of the circle. And that's why when I like to draw on dry erase boards. But when I draw on paper, I always use a pencil because I make lots of mistakes. All right, so we have our basic idea. We have our body, we have our head. I'd like to go ahead and start adding a little bit of details to make this turkey extra turkey-y. We're going to start by making 2 circles at the top of our top circle, our head, and going ahead and giving it some little pupils. And then the next step, we're going to give our turkey a beak. And you can do this 2 ways. If you feel comfortable drawing an upside down triangle, you can do that now. If an upside down triangle is a little tricky for you, turn your board or your paper over and draw a right side up triangle and then flip your board back. I'm going to go ahead and draw an upside down triangle right here. All right. Now the next thing that is on a turkey's face that is really recognizable is a red thing that hangs down, and that's called a wattle. And it's kind of like a bumpy oval. So we're going to start at the kind of the middle of our beak, and we're going to make a bumpy oval. You see that? A little bumpy oval. All right, so now we have our faces done. Our body is here. The next step is I'd like to add some wings, and we add these wings really simply by making some kind of half circles that start at the top of your big circle and end at the bottom of your big circle, like this. And we're going to do that on both sides. And we're going to add some details to our body that make our turkey look like it has feathers. So I'm going to add just some straight lines across its wings, just like this, and some kind of fast W's along our turkey's belly. You could do V's too, W's, V's, and now it looks like our turkey has lots of feathers on its body. All right, the next step is turkey feet, and we're going to do that by first making some little turkey legs. So we're going to make 2 lines close together that makes kind of almost a very long skinny rectangle. And we're going to do that on both sides of our turkey. And then we're going to make feet. Now there's a couple of different ways that you can make these feet. I like to make 3 sharp triangles, kind of like this. But if that seems kind of hard to you, what you can do is you can close up your rectangle and just draw 3 little lines. That works just as well for a turkey foot. Whatever you feel most comfortable with is what you should do. Now I bet you're thinking, Ms. Norris, we can't be done yet. That's not a turkey that's complete because turkeys usually show a fan of feathers. And that is our finale of our turkey. So what we're going to do to make that fan of feathers is we're going to start by making 2 lines that go out on each side of its body. Now you can make those as long or as short as you want, but that's going to tell you how big your fan is. So you can see I want my fan to be a kind of a big fan of feathers. I like those feathers. And then you're just going to make a rainbow that goes over the whole thing, just like that. Now, that would be a fine turkey if you want to leave it this way, but we like to add a little bit of details. So we know that this fan is made up of feathers, so we're going to draw some feathers. We're going to start by just dividing up that fan with some straight lines that go to the edge of our circles. And you can leave it like this if you want. You could have different colored feathers. You could make them all the same. I love coloring turkeys. They're so fun. But I like to add a little bit more detail. So I'm going to show you how to make this feather really like a fancy feather. All right. You're going to draw a straight line in the middle of one of your feathers and then just draw little lines up the side of each of those lines. See how feathery that is? Look, and it's so easy, so fast and easy. We just make lines. You can do this. I bet you'll make other birds with feathers now that you have a good way to make a feather. See how quick and easy that is? And it really adds a lot of fancy to our turkey, which I think turkeys kind of want to be fancy turkeys. And there you have it, folks. We just made ourselves one fancy turkey. If you like drawing a turkey with me, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. Your support really means a lot to me. If you are not a subscriber yet, please hit that subscribe button down here at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope you really had fun drawing a turkey with me and that you try drawing some turkeys on your own. Have a really nice day. Bye-bye.